Hey guys, this is Giridhar here. So today I'm going to show you how to root your OnePlus One, and possibly we will get to install the Oxygen OS also at the end of this video. It's also the same process which you can follow to install any custom ROM. I use the Bacon Root toolkit for unlocking the bootloader and also the rooting my device. So I'll leave a link in my blog for downloading the Bacon Root toolkit. It's very simple. You don't have to worry too much about all the drivers and other softwares and other applications that you need to download. Just it's an one stop solution for rooting your OnePlus. So I have everything in place now. So I'm gonna start the process of rooting. Unlocking the bootloader is gonna wipe out all the data in your system. So make sure you make a proper backup. I've clicked on the link which says unlock, and it also warns you that this will wipe your device. So I made a backup already using the same Bacon Rootkit toolkit, and right now, yeah, my device is being directed. It is going to reboot my device into bootloader mode. Let me show you exactly what's happening here in the mobile. My bootloader has been unlocked. Now it's finishing up booting process. Now everything has been wiped out of the system. It's as good as a factory reset. So all my data has been erased. So make sure you have a backup of all your data. Now all I have to do is I have to go to this settings and enable the developer option. So just hit on the build-in number a couple of times. Yeah, and I have developer options enabled. And once I go to developer options, I have to enable Android debugging. So I'm also gonna check flash the custom recovery for me. So it's gonna flash the root file. Just some customary warning. So we now have access to the TWRP that's been pushed into it, and the system has also been rooted now. So I'll go and show you. So we have this Super ACU application that is installed here. Now let's install the Oxygen OS. The procedure is same for any other custom ROM which you want to load onto your OnePlus One. While the phone is booting, just press the volume down button, and that will open up the custom recovery we just flashed. It's called the TWRP, or the Team Win Recovery Project. So what we're going to do is install ROM which we just the Oxygen OS which I just pushed onto the root folder. Now if you already have another ROM and you want to take a backup of it, I would recommend just say take a backup. So this is the custom ROM that came in from OnePlus One. So I'm gonna take a backup of it. Okay, so now we have the backup ready, and I'm gonna do a wipe here. So do a wipe, and now we don't have any ROM in the system. It's all been wiped out, and I'm gonna say install. I'm gonna select the one which says Oxygen 1.0 flashable.zip, and it's gonna be flashed now. It took a while, but finally it's done. So it says successful here. I'm gonna reboot the system. Oh, sorry. Okay, it just installed the super user also for me. So this is the boot animation from Oxygen OS. So we have the Oxygen OS right now. So it asks for the OnePlus One setup right now. So and the first thing which is asked is like, do you want to use the navigation control or the software buttons? So I prefer the navigation control at below. So I'm not a big fan of the on-screen button there, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And there are a bunch of gestures: double tap to wake, open camera, and a few other gestures. I'm going to stay with those gestures, and it says setup is complete. And there you go, the OnePlus One, with the Oxygen OS. Things first, let's check the Android version. Okay, go to the about phone, and it says 5.0.2. It comes with the basic applications which come with any Nexus device or any device that's got the stock Android there. So Oxygen is equivalent to stock. So is there any other? Yeah, this one feature was being talked about. So they can enable or disable the icons in the quick settings button there. So I'm not going to use these stuff, so I'm going to disable those from my view. Okay, and there I have. Okay, so that's my notification window there, and that's it. So your plain vanilla Android experience is, well, that's what the Oxygen OS gives you. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any doubts or any queries regarding flashing your device with any custom ROM, do let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.